Welcome to InJamaica, and if this is your first time here, please subscribe, click the notification bell and stick around to see places in Jamaica. This is a 360 video and you can view around by swiping, tilting, clicking, whatever works for your device. This video is aimed at giving you a general overview, but you can check the video description for added information. Currently, we are driving east from Water Lane towards Harbour Street. Harbour Street is a one-way road running east with several intersections. I will indicate each. Harbour Street begins, and here is the West Street intersection. Matthews Lane intersection, popularly referred to as Matches Lane. Princess Street intersection. Luke Lane intersection. Orange Street intersection. Peters Lane intersection. King Street intersection. Temple Lane intersection. On the left is Tax Administration Jamaica Stamp Office. Church Street intersection. Mark Lane intersection. Duke Street intersection. Johns Lane intersection. East Street intersection. There are several buildings ahead to the left and right of the road belonging to the GraceKennedy group. George's Lane intersection. The building on the left is one of GraceKennedy's. Hanover Street intersection. Here are two additional GraceKennedy buildings, both on the left and right. On the left is Rum Lane, Rosemary Lane intersection. Maiden Lane is on the left, Exchange Lane is on the right, as well as the Jamaica Stock Exchange. Gold Street intersection. On the left is Foster Lane. Holborn Street intersection. On the right is Breezy Castle Sports Complex. On the left is the Spectrum Management Authority. Fleet Street intersection. On the right is Kingston Ice Making Company Limited. Harbour Street ends here, and we are at the Harbour Street and the South Camp Road intersection. We are now driving on the Michael Manley Boulevard, which will take us to Rockfort, Harbour View, to the Norman Manley International Airport and St Thomas Parish. Please remember to subscribe to InJamaica. Give us a like and share, and thank you all for watching.